See, ego is the biggest problem with human beings. Now, you see one thing, a lot of us are privileged, and our education, our personality, even our looks. If you put anybody, any good-looking person in a jungle for a month, he might not look as pretty as he's looking right now. He or she might not look as pretty or handsome he or she is looking currently. So we are buying our personality, our education, our social skills, everything because of money. So doesn't matter who you are and what you are, you should make sure that you don't become egoistic or arrogant about your whatever you are, your personality, your education, your intellect, your knowledge, etc., etc. Because ego and arrogance, end of the day, will get you on your knees. If you learn to manage it right now, when you're good, it's great. But if the universe does it to you, it will get you on your knees. And trust me, that would be terrible. Now, there are a lot of dumb and stupid people. I understand they are irritating. You might find them difficult to be with. But just because they're dumb, that doesn't mean that they can't become smart tomorrow. It's just that you got certain opportunities in your life that made your intellect sharp. So tomorrow, if those people get the same opportunities or better opportunities, they might become way smarter and intelligent than you are. So it doesn't matter who is in front of you. It's your responsibility to take charge of your ego and arrogance, because end of the day, those are the emotions that you're creating. It's like poison. You can't poison others when the poison is within you. You're going to poison yourself first, isn't it, Syed?